Okay, I have been dying to do this video. Is like, why are bikes priced the way that they are? Right? Why is one bike $2,100 and the other one's $2,500? Some people that's like not a big difference at all. Other people it's the night and day. That's just where their budget is, and they, you know what I mean? Like it's a big deal. So I want to talk about the components on bikes, because especially seeing bikes online and you read, okay, Shimano derailleur, okay, what does that really mean, and the different levels of it. And listen, I'm no expert, but what I do know is what I see, I touch, and I feel, and you can feel quality. Okay, so here I wanted to give an example of two bikes that are very comparable. This, believe it or not, is a 2023 Taubik, and I'm being fair because I'm comparing the same brand. This is a 2023 Blackburn TL. This was the second year for these. I've just had this for a demo forever. It's what we use for demos that people can go and do whatever they like. They did do an upgrade in 2024 and 25, but really they changed kind of the frame. Now we've got the 2025 Tour. These bikes step through. This one has fat tire, this one doesn't. Okay, that's essentially the differences between them. But if we really look closely at these two bikes, I can pick out why this bike is more expensive. So let's not talk about the sales that we have on this one. When these came out, they were $24.99. These ones have been $26.99 and $27.99. So we're talking about a $200 to $300 difference. That's all I want you to remember in this video. $200 to $300 difference between these two bikes. Like, why? Now I'm going to tell you. First off, a fat tire is more expensive. That's easy to see. The rack. Let's look at the rear rack. It still has the same weight capacity, 25 kilos, but it's not as thick. It's not as thick, and it doesn't have the tail light integrated into the rack, and that just gives such a clean look to it. And you don't see the wire here, so that's first and foremost. That is a more expensive it's a more expensive rack. Okay, motors. So Taubik uses Suto or Bafang. The Tour has a Bafang motor. That costs more money, right? Name brand. What did they put in this one? Oh shit, it's a Bafang too. But I don't know, like, is this, did they dial this one up more because they also have torque sensors? If Ryan was here, he'd tell me more of those details. But I tell you the way that I tell you, which is not super experty, super detailed, like I said, feeling. I digress. Okay, so now they've gone with the 25s. They've done a slap. Ryan calls it a slap pad or something like that. So you'll see because your chain's going to hit this sometimes. So that's very thoughtful. That costs money though. This crank is a lot nicer on the 2024. Okay, seat, much nicer on the 25s. Again, costs money. Name brand batteries, LG, Samsung, and both are 15 amp hour. That doesn't matter. The screens, the speedos, yeah, these things to replace are $250 to $300 if you break it or whatever it is. Speedos are very expensive. So screen, speedo, that's what we call it. Upgraded, more expensive. The shifter, number one, that is a trigger shift system, more money. This one's all 8-speed, more money. Okay, so name brand on the, let's see what this one is. No, actually the same hydraulic disc brakes. Pro Max here, Pro Max here. Suspension upgraded on the 2024 and 25. So handle grips, they're the same shape, but these do feel better. Hi, Bobby. Hey, Ryan. Bobby says hello. Keep that in there because it's good. He'll get it. The lights, let's look at that. Yeah, the lights are brighter. So this is all the things I have listed. I've probably missed a few, but again, a $200 to $300 difference between these bikes. That's what you're getting. And if I may add, Taubik, we do love you, Emo too, but Taubik is, in our opinion, the best components for the best price in the industry, because a lot of these bikes are getting really, really expensive, and Taubik is kept between their 2,000 and 3,000. We love them. So I hope that helps answer some question, is why are bikes different prices from another one when they look so much the same. Thank you.